So guys, good evening all of you. Am I
Good
audible?
evening, Prince. Sir. Yes, sir.
Next one, concept is crystal lattice and unit circle. Here, the main characteristic of crystal lattices are even crystalline substances order. In crystalline substances, there is a long range order. So this is the main characteristic of crystalline solid substance. So that means here constituent particles are arranged three-dimensionally in regular pattern. That is one of the main characteristic of crystalline solid. Actually, we have to see this one in 3D form. So am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Sir, your voice is little.
Hello?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello? Check, sir. Check the name. Okay, we are not getting enough. Yeah. Just go there. Okay, yeah. Keep that. And bring the top. Top. Get microphone guidance. I
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Oh, it's okay. No, fine. So these are called lattice points. Nothing but these points represents constituent particles present in a crystal as that may be atoms or ions or molecules. Okay, this is a crystal lattice. Here, I think only one point is missing. Here. So in the crystal lattice, the constituent particles, atoms or ions or molecules are denoted with the lattice site. This is calling lattice site or lattice point. In this crystal, there is a smallest unit. In the crystal, there is a smallest unit we are calling that is unit cell. Suppose one cube, if you cut into 8 parts, there is one part we are calling a unit cell. So unit cell is the smallest portion of a crystal lattice, which repeats in the all the directions and constitutes a crystal lattice. So unit cell is the smallest portion of a crystal lattice, which repeats in all the directions and constructs crystal lattice. Well, you got it here. Unit cell part I will show you in textbook. So look here. In this part is unit cell. So such type of units are many unit cells are present in a crystal lattice. So that unit cell is growing in all the directions, left, right, top, bottom, front and back, in all directions it is growing, and it gives a finally crystal lattice. So here the unit cell is characterized by 6 parameters. This point is asking in a board level exams. A unit cell is characterized by 6 parameters. So those are edge length, ABC, and angles. That is alpha, beta, gamma. So that is angles between. So I will show you that. So this is unit cell, not crystal lattice. Smallest portion in a crystal lattice is unit cell. This is the unit cell. So this is y-axis, this is x-axis, this is z-axis. This direction, z-axis. This one. So all are in 90 degrees to each other. It's not a mandate, remind it. It is not a mandatory to maintain 90 degrees to one another. Here, this is denoted with A, this is denoted with B, this is denoted with C. These are edge length. A unit cell is characterized by edge length ABC. This is A, it is B, this is C. And angles between the edges. So in between A and B, angle is gamma. In between B and C, alpha. In between C and A, beta.
So,
Yes, tell me.
so isn't it 90 degrees?
No, this is only in cubic unit cell. So you will get confused. Here I'm talking about unit cell, right?
Yes, sir.
So we have 7 crystal lattices. Later I will discuss about that. 7 crystal lattices. In all 7 types of crystal lattices are possible, and along with 14 Bravis lattices are possible. In those, very few unit cells having 90 degrees to each other. But here I took cube. That's what is 90 degrees. If you go for other monoclinic, rhombic, orthorhombic, they won't maintain 90 degrees. I will tell you now that list very, very important, those angles and edge length.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay now? A unit cell is characterized by 6 parameters. There 3 parameters are edge length and the remaining 3 parameters are called edge angles. Now I'll explain you the 7 crystal lattices. Okay. See here, total we have 14 lattices are possible. Those we are calling Bravis lattices. 14 possible. 3-dimensional lattice are possible. So these are called Bravis lattices because the scientist name Bravis. Okay, now we are talking. See now in unit cells are classified. Units are classified into simple. Oh, sorry.
So shall we write
No,
this?
need,
or
no,
no
no,
need?
no, no. I will give you notes. Primitive and centered. Centered unit cells. So primitive is okay, only one primitive, and centered it is further classified into BCC, okay, BCC, FCC, and end centered. So BCC means body centered cubic lattice. FCC, face centered cubic lattice. End centered lattice. Totally, unit cells are 4 types. First classified in 2 types, primitive and centered unit cell. Primitive is simple. Only constituent particles are present at corners of a cube. Here I am taking only cube. This kind of cubes, again 7 systems are possible. I will give you those names. So this is calling simply primitive. Here constituent particle, here 8 constituent particles are present at 8 corners. Now body center means this is primitive or simple. We are calling simple unit cell. In BCC, suppose if I take crystal system normal cube only, there 8 constituent particles are present at corners. At the center of the cube, one constituent particle is present. Center. So this atom is touching all these 8 particles. So here not possible to show. It's like this. Look here. This one. At 8 corners, 8 constituent particles are present. At the center, one constituent particle is there. That center particle is touching all these 8 corner particles. So this is BCC. Next, FCC. In FCC, here also 8 constituent particles are there at corners. Yeah. And faces also constituent particle. And one cube having 6 faces. So at 6 faces, constituent particles are present. And one is back, one is front. I am not showing that. Okay, see that is like this. See this structure. This is FCC structure. At 8 corners, 8 constituent particles are there. On faces, one cube having 6 faces. On 6 faces, 6 constituent particles are there. Then last one, end-centered. End-centered is simple. At opposite ends, constituent particles are present on faces. 8 corners, 8 constituent particles. And end-center, top and down, or left or right. Left and right. But we need 2. Top and down, or left or right, front or back. This is comes under end-centered cubic lattice. So this is the classification of unit cells. Now we will see crystal systems and possible variations. Crystal system. Possible variations.
Sir, the screen is blurred, sir.
Hello? Hello?
Sir, the screen is blurred, sir, for me.
Screen is blurred.
Yes, sir.
Is all of you have same problem?
Yes, sir.
So now it's clear, sir.
Sir,
Sir,
Sir, it's clear, sir, now.